Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another train spotting video. Long time no see, guys. It's been like nearly 1 year. The reason I didn't do videos anymore is because I had some family problems. And but yeah, now I'm back on the track. So this is going to be my first video from 2025 in Windermere. Windermere is in Cumbria, is in north west England, in the Lake District area. And to be honest, I really don't know the trains are passing through here, because from what I can see, that's the end of the line here. But we're gonna wait for some trains to show up and see when the train is here. By the way, today is the 15th of January 2025. The time is nearly 6 o'clock. And the temperature outside is like 2 or 3 degrees. It's not that cold, but still, yeah, we're still waiting for the trains. I mean, for the train, there's one track here. That's it. No more than one track. Obviously, this train goes to Cartley, and then from there you can go to Manchester and Liverpool. It's like half hour with train, so it's not that far away. But yeah, still waiting for the train. And we have the train now approaching the station. It's coming slow, obviously. Now, what kind of train is this? What number? Windermere. There's a 196. Oh, 195. Okay. Oh, Northern Trains. Okay. Northern Trains 195. Okay. Yeah. And there we go. And it stopped. So yeah, the train, apparently they are class 195, coming from Manchester or Liverpool. I think Liverpool. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the train to depart, and then this video is gonna end, because there's no trains here, just this one, and then in another hour it's gonna be another one, so there's nothing more to film here but just the train. But yeah, we're gonna wait for the train to leave, and then I'm gonna end the video. And the train is ready for departure. I think it's gonna go now, but we'll wait and see. We're gonna wait and see. The driver is on it, and I think he's gonna leave now. Obviously he needs to complete the checks, and then he's gonna go. Yep. And the train is now departing the station. Class 195. Going to Manchester to Liverpool. Yep, and that was it, guys. And now I can show you the train station a little bit. That's the outside Lakeland, and I can show you the train station, but that's kind of it from this train station, because there's nothing to see here. Like, just one platform and just nothing. But I will be going to bigger train stations around this area, and I will keep you updated. Obviously I'm going to post everything, but yeah, this is it, guys. is the train station. Manchester Airport is 7 o'clock. And then there we go. And you can exit from here. This is the train station, yeah, okay. Windermere. And then you can exit from here. And then you are in the parking lot. And this is the train station in Windermere. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, because obviously from this train station there's not much to film. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye bye.